this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Shark cordless ultralight vacuum you can see right here. Now, I've actually got a mess on the floor, and the very first thing you're going to want to do is you can see right here, it just locks in place. You basically going to put your foot down here and then push it back, and you can see it'll easily move back and forth and just lie on the floor like so when you push it up and down. Now, all you need to do to use it, you can see right here, there's a couple different settings just on this yellow label right here. You can either choose the carpet, bare floor, or you can actually choose the off. Basically, once you choose the setting that you want to choose, you can actually use this lever, the switch thing right here, and just push it forward, and the vacuum will actually just turn on and automatically start vacuuming. And you can just roll it back and forth just on your carpet or floor to actually use the vacuum. All you're gonna need to do to empty this, you can see right here, is I'm just gonna lean it against this like so. And you're first gonna want to push down on this. You just want to take off this upper corridor. And you can see right here, once you do that, you just pull, and you can see it'll easily release like so. And this part is completely separate. The debris is all in here. And basically you just want to hold it over the trash can. And once you're doing this, you simply want to push down on this and it'll automatically open the door so that you can do it without having to worry about, just getting any of this on your hands. And all you need to do to close the door is you simply just push it up and it automatically clicks into place. And to put it back on, you obviously need to take this part and just push it back onto the top like so. And when it clicks into place, good to go. You can always vacuum again.